Welcome to NS Astrology Institute. Vedic Astrology, KP Astrology, Bhrigu Nandi Nadi Astrology, Numerology. In this second video, let's learn about the directional strength of planets in detail. Every planet has a directional strength. Whichever planet gets directional strength, that planet will definitely give good results. Therefore, planets with directional strength play a very important role in giving accurate predictions. The first house is the directional strength for Jupiter and Mercury. Similarly, the fourth house is the directional strength for Moon and Venus. Similarly, the seventh house is the directional strength for Saturn and Rahu. Similarly, the 10th house is the directional strength for Sun, Mars and Ketu. Let us take a horoscope for example. This analysis method is based on the KP and Bhrigu Nandi Nadi methods. When it comes to Saturn, this planet has been given direction strength in the 7th house. In the horoscope taken here for example, the ascendant is Cancer. Saturn is the lord of 7th house who is placed in 1st house of Cancer sign at 8 hours 4 minutes and 40 seconds degrees. That means it is in Saturn own star of Pusha. As Saturn is placed in own star, it has become strong significator of 7th house. Also, Saturn is aspecting 7th house of Capricorn sign as 7th aspect. Therefore, Saturn has become directional strength of 7th house. When it comes to Rahu, this planet has been given direction strength in the 7th house. Rahu is in the 4th house of Libra sign at 26 hours 10 minutes and 28 seconds degrees. That means it is in the position of Jupiter Nakshatra of Vishaka. Therefore, Rahu is strong in Jupiter's houses of 6th and 9th house. Also, it becomes strong significator of 9th house. Because Jupiter is also placed in the 9th house. So, Rahu has not got directional strength to the 7th house. When it comes to Jupiter, this planet has been given direction strength in the 1st house. Jupiter is the lord of 6th and 9th house, who is placed in 9th house of Pisces sign. From this 9th house, Jupiter is aspecting 1st house as 5th aspect and aspecting Lagna Lord Moon as 7th aspect. So, Jupiter has got 50% directional strength of 1st house. When it comes to Mercury, this planet has been given direction strength in the 1st house. Mercury is the lord of 12th and 3rd house, who is placed in 6th house of Sagittarius sign. From this 6th house, Mercury is aspecting 12th house as 7th aspect. 12th house is very close to 1st house. So, Mercury has got only 25% directional strength to the 1st house. When it comes to Sun, this planet has been given direction strength in the 10th house. Sun is lord of 2nd house who is placed in 5th house as per its degrees and KP method. Sun has become strong significator of 10th house as it is placed in Ketu star. So, Sun has got 100% directional strength to the 10th house. When it comes to Mars, this planet has been given direction strength in the 10th house. Mars is lord of 5th and 10th house who is placed in the 11th house of Taurus sign at own star of Mrigashira. So, Mars has got 100% directional strength to the 10th house. When it comes to Ketu, this planet has been given direction strength in the 10th house. Ketu is in the 10th house of Aries sign at 26 hours 10 minutes and 28 seconds degrees. That means it is in the position of Venus Nakshatra of Bharni. Also, it becomes strong significator of 4th house. Because Venus is also placed in the 4th house. So, Ketu has got 50% directional strength to the 10th house as it has become strong significator of 4th house. When it comes to Venus, this planet has been given direction strength in the 4th house. Venus is the lord of 4th and 11th house who is placed in 4th house of Libra sign at Vishakha star. As it is placed in Jupiter star, Venus has become strong significator of ninth house. So, Venus has got only 25% directional strength to the fourth house. When it comes to Moon, this planet has been given direction strength in the fourth house. Moon is lord of first house who is placed in the third house of Virgo sign. Here third house and fourth house are side by side. So Moon has got 50% directional strength to the fourth house. Considering the analysis method described above, here the planets Sun, Mars and Saturn got 100% directional strength. Similarly, Jupiter got 50%, Mercury got 25%, Ketu got 50%, Venus got 25% and Moon got 50%. But here, Rahu got no directional strength. As per the rule explained in the first video, we also learnt that we should note down which planets are strong out of the 12 zodiac signs, 12 houses according to the ascendant and 9 planets. If only these planets get directional strength, then we can understand that these planets are still strong. Only these planets give 100% results. There is no doubt about in this matter. In this way, we need to see which planet has gained strength. We also need to see whether that planet has gained directional strength or not. There are many more astrology predictive rules. Let's learn in detail in another video. If you like this video, you can click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.